Musamseleku told Makwela about Makumalo. She was complaining that Makwela, she is posting too much on her socials, Facebook and Instagram. Musamseleku, he doesn't not involving Makumalo's name. Musamseleku was supposed to tell Makwela that you have to stop posting on social media. We know that Musamseleku's family, they are not allowed to post every time on social media than to involve Makumalo's name. Makumalo was complaining to Musamseleku that Makwela have to stop posting every time on social media because they are saving it for content. It's not about Makumalo. They don't want Makwela to be on television. Those people, they want money. Yes, they can pretend like they don't want Makwela because people, we love drama. Since Makwela came on Musamseleku's life, people will start watching Utando Nestembu. There is a lot of drama. If Makwela, she is out of Musamseleku's life, their program is going to collapse. So Makumalo was doing it to protect the brand because Makumalo was the producer of Utando Nestembu. They know how to create their content. They know that if they started posting on social media every time, their content is not going to get more views because people will want drama. Musamseleku was supposed to tell Makwela in a nice way that we are content creators on television. So some of the content we don't want you to post every time on social media than to say Makumalo said you have to stop posting. Musamseleku have a problem for not telling his wife directly. Last time Musamseleku lied about Macele. Macele said to Musamseleku, you have to increase money for food. Musamseleku about your kids because Mayane's kids and Mangwabe's kids after school, they came at Macele's place. They want to eat the food. Macele didn't say Musamseleku, Mayeni and Mangwabe, they have to thank her with money. But the way Musamseleku told Mangwabe and Mayeni and say Macele says you have to give me money. But thank God because they watch Utando Nestembo season 8. That's why Mayeni and Mangwabe, they didn't ask again Macele because they know that Musamseleku always lies. Guys, they believe that their husband can change the statement. Musamseleku always changing the statement. He doesn't telling his wife the truth. He can lie with someone. You understand? Musamseleku, maybe he was lying, we don't know. But Makumalo maybe was complaining that Makwela is posting too much on social media. They are doing it for content. Guys, Musamseleku's kids, Musamseleku's wives, they don't post too much about their lives on social media. That's why even Mpumelelo Lwadle, you see Lwadle now, he is posting too much with his girlfriend and the child because our content creators on television. That's Makumalo was trying to explain to Musamseleku. But it looks like maybe Musamseleku want Makwela to blame Makumalo. That's why Makumalo want to control me. No, Makumalo can't control Makwela. But when it comes to work, because their real lives are involving on television, those people at end of the month, they are sharing the money. So Makumalo was doing it for the content that Makwela can't post it too much because the other people, they know that if they post it one picture, if Makwela with something, you understand, people will start suspecting something. We have got rumors. They started trending on social media. Like last time Musamseleku was admitted, someone bring some of the rumors on television, and there is some of the photos Musamseleku was admitted and it trend too much. Even that show was started playing, people we already know what's going on because they started trend after 6 months or 7 months that show played. We already know that Musamseleku got sick. You understand? That's why Makumalo was trying to tell Musamseleku you have to tell Makwela to stop posting on social media because of 1, 2, 3. because of the content. Makhumalo can't control Makwela to post on her socials, but she is doing it for the content. They can tell each other. Even Mayeni can tell Makhumalo, stop posting this because you are doing it for the views. You understand?